Hello, I just wanted to show you what's in our Ford 2000 E-Type gearbox rebuild kit. I'll just start with the gaskets. That's the bell housing gasket, the rear tail case gasket, top cover lid gasket, gear stick gasket, front cover gasket. That's the gasket for the gear stick if it's at the rear of the box, normally found on cars that had twin seats at the front. The main shaft needle roller, both sizes of front oil seal, rear tail housing seal for the prop shaft, Laygear needle rollers, rear main shaft bearing, and the front input shaft bearing. Both bearings are SKF, high quality.